Samagacho yebunge enene asobomo w'abajumbe na boigo abaseneta buna imuganetie korengana n'erichikokera umwaka kwera asense haria serikali ikiraniria samagendro hamo n'oborai asegeka ky'umwaka yomo murai Bw'Ense ya Kenya Muske William RUTO nigo ritukoria rero harwa Enkwana yaye asense kwera EMEORBERIO au ya serikali yaye yikiranirie na buna umurikito Frida Kirubo akwera sorobotiro kubwatia Muske RUTO nigo bona AKWANEIRE ESEKTA yoboremi aseboigo hake AKWANEIRE ko kya kwirigori ryoboyo na boigo hogokini gwa kwirigesa hegento keirere irigori iriendagera gokea
Enkwana y'umurai Bw'Ense iyo yarwegwa asamagacha manene y'ebunge lyokumulekera EMEORBERIO yabekirwe elyogotinya ense ya Kenya naboigo amoncherelyo ase ESEKTA elyokoenekia obokoreri obuya.
Story of sacrifice, a story of sweat, a story of progress that has not come easy, a story whose facts are available for all to examine, except perhaps for the cynical who have no facts. Today, the evidence is clear, evidence of promises made and promises kept. In just 3 years, we have built not monuments of words, but foundations of progress.
Kubwatikana nogokonga kubugima nigo yairereta abakenya umwaka bw'ekiri bubere 2022 gokora okorobekana ekyo gikairera serikali gokora amoncherelyo anene ase sector y'oburemi.
One of the greatest contributors to the high cost of living, Kenyans in 2022 marched with empty sufurias, a stark symbol of frustration and unbearable cost of basic commodities. From the very outset, we made an intentional and strategic decision to subsidize production and not consumption. We understood that lasting relief would not come from temporary subsidies and price controls, but from strengthening the foundations of agriculture had to be the fulcrum of our transformational agenda.
Umurai Bw'Ense nigaenekia okwelikia kwa balimi gwetera enchera yekerero elyokoenekia ngonyora bali amorokeryo elyogokinia ligesa boigo nigo aenekia okuyiligwa kweligori lyobwoyo na boigo embusuro.
To organize the sector and improve service delivery, we launched an integrated digital platform to register farmers. In 2022, fewer than 300,000 farmers were on record. Today, over 7.1 million farmers are registered on the Kenya Integrated Agricultural Management Information System, giving us visibility to design scientific targeted interventions and eliminate extortionists, getaway brokers, and drive out cartels and middlemen. This has enabled us to implement the fertilizer subsidy program at scale. To date, over 21 million bags of affordable fertilizer have been distributed, reducing the price by nearly 2/3 and saving farmers Kenya shillings 105 billion so far. This year alone, we delivered 7 million bags of fertilizer and 35 million kilos of certified seed. And next year in 2026, we plan to distribute 12.5 million bags across all the 1,450 wards, ensuring every farmer has access to affordable inputs.
Asense mende nigaenekia ogukina asensemo yobonchereria anene asabanto korwa chinse chisiko baigekire enibo yabo gwetera okwagacha gw'ekikampuni n'abakenya gokonyeka.
Last 36 months, over 300 new businesses, including 500 foreign companies, have registered and set up shop in Kenya, reflecting renewed confidence and improved ease of doing business. Securities Exchange has recorded a powerful resurgence, recognized as one of the best performing emerging markets globally. Since January 2025, investor wealth has grown by over 1 trillion shillings, driven by a broad share price rally that has re-established the Nairobi Securities Exchange as a premier asset class. The NSE is on track for its strongest performance in over a decade, building on last year's remarkable gains. This renewed vibrancy is a clear vote of confidence in Kenya's direction and in the reforms we have undertaken.
Kerubo Frida, Ensoko TV, Nairobi.